Glowing Skin Evening Routine. Moisturizing and Toning. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are focusing on an essential part of our evening routine, moisturizing and toning. We'll learn how to talk about these steps in English and, of course, the importance of these routines for maintaining healthy and beautiful skin. Toning is the second step in a skincare routine, right after cleansing your face. A toner helps to remove any leftover dirt, grime, or makeup and also balances the pH levels of your skin. When we talk about using a toner, we often use the phrase, apply a toner. For example, you might say, after I wash my face, I apply a toner with a cotton pad. My skin feels fresh and clean when I use a toner. I always make sure to include a toner in my skincare routine. Following the toner, we apply a moisturizer. This step is crucial as it hydrates the skin and locks in moisture. A moisturizer keeps your skin healthy, preventing it from getting dry or flaky. You can use phrases like, I moisturize my skin every night before going to bed. A good moisturizer keeps my skin hydrated. After toning, I apply a moisturizer to keep my skin soft. Now, let's use these phrases in a more comprehensive context. Imagine explaining your evening skincare routine to a friend. You might say, I start by washing my face to get rid of any dirt and oil. After that, I apply a toner. This step ensures that my skin is thoroughly clean and ready for the next steps. Finally, I apply a moisturizer. This keeps my skin hydrated and prevents dryness. So there you have it. Today, we learned how to talk about two vital steps in an evening skincare routine, toning and moisturizing. Skincare is an important part of our daily routine, and being able to express this in English will help you have engaging conversations with others. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon it'll be second nature to you. I hope this video has been helpful, and as always, take care and keep learning. See you in the next video.